Gigi Guerrero, anak ni Sheila Guerrero, and apo, yeah, sinabi na.
I don't call her that. I call her my granny. That's because of her appearance in the show, Super Ego, kung alam niyo yun, 2006, yung narinig. She started there as granny, that's why I call her that. Unfortunately, unlike her other grandchildren, I'm talentless. But I have the courage to speak about her today. Anyways, ulitin ko na lang yung sinabi ko kanina, nandito ko yung necrology service na parang kayo bagong malasa, but with much more stuff that I didn't get to say earlier. Hindi ako makaisip kung kailan lang sabi ng hindi si Granny sa akin at kung kanino man. Kahit ano man yung hinihingi mo sa kanya, maliit man yan, malaki man yan, tulong man yan, hindi siya nagsasabi ng hindi. Everything that I ask for, everything that you probably would ask for, Granny would give. May naalala ko. Nung nakaraang taon, nasira yung lumang cellphone ko. Talagang hindi na siya gumagana kahit ang pindot ko, kahit ayos ko dyan. Kaya, I begged yun ang babay papa na bilisan ko na siya. Sabi ko sa kanila, Mama, Papa, can you buy a new phone for my birthday? Eh, mamahalin pa naman mga cellphone ganun, di ba? Kaya, yung sagot nila, tignan natin. Or, ibig sabihin, huwag na raw akong umasa. Eh, sakto, narinig naman ni Granny yung usapan namin. Sabi niya, sige, ako nagbabayad. Hindi siya nagsabi ng hindi.
Tama mga Facebook.
Siya na mismo ang nag-sponsor ng cellphone ko. Ito, nangako ko ngayon.
TikTok.
Kahit nung Thursday, kailan tayo huminga, may hinihingi pa si Papa sa kanya. Sabi ni Papa, then, huwag muna kayo. Birthday ko ngayon. And alam niyo, kahit hindi siya makasalita noon, hindi siya nagsabi ng hindi. Kung Friday lang siyang pumunta sa langit, ayaw niyang malungkot si Papa sa kanyang birthday. And in today's world, it's so easy to say no. In fact, it's so much harder to say yes. But the Granny, saying yes is no big deal because she believed that saying yes, even in the most simplest things, could make the biggest difference. Siguro para kay Granny, yung pagsabi ng oo or yes wasn't about agreeing something. It was about kindness and happiness. About making life a little easier for someone else. Siguro she believed that even the smallest yes could bring joy and relief to others. And with that in mind, to be honest earlier, nagkaroon ako ng disagreement with my mom. Nung nandito pa yung barangay Pag-asa, where the necrology service, the Granny, ginawa akong spokesperson, kumbaga, nila Papa at Mama dahil nahirapan daw sila mag-eulogy. Dahil tungkol kay Granny, dahil malungkot sila. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo malungkot. You lost such a wonderful person. Pero, ayaw na ayaw ni Granny na mailungkot. I'll explain that more later. Alam mo na, kung nandito si Granny, papagalitan na siguro sila Papa at Mama dahil walang hindi kaya para sa kanya. Kaya, kay Mama and Papa, you know that right now, Granny is so very proud of us for being able to speak out about her. In spite of all the sadness, she would be so delighted and happy for all of us, for everyone here. Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo yung interview na kasama si Julius Papa. Pero totoo talaga yung mga sinasabi nito. Gusto niya lang maging masaya ang lahat. Pero mo, gusto niya lahat masaya. Hindi lang siya, hindi lang ako, hindi lang kayo, lahat tayo. Lahat dapat masaya. And for that, she is such a selfless person. I wish more people in the world were just like my grandma. And in a way, I think everyone right here, right now, is just like my grandma in their own loving and special way. And to all the wakes and funerals that I've been to, hers is the most beautifully decorated. Hers is the one with the most loving and caring people, with the most pretty flowers. And that just goes to show how impactful her life is to everyone. Hindi lang bilang isang comedian, hindi lang bilang isang tagawan, hindi lang bilang isang miyembro ng parish, hindi lang bilang magulang, hindi lang bilang lola, kundi bilang isang mabuting tao. And, you know, since she's one of the queens of comedy, Filipino comedy, but up there in heaven, she's making God laugh with Dolphy. Granny, thank you for being my lola. I'm sorry that if I was hard-headed at times, pero just know that I love you so much, Granny. Me, Toby, Cici, Mama and Papa, and everyone else here will miss you so much. I'm going to miss the fruit salads na niluluto mo para sa akin. And I will never forget all the lessons you taught me. May you rest in peace, Granny.